It's 8:47 p.m. Everyone thinks hard work guarantees success. But what if the real problem isn't how hard you work? It's what you're working on.
5 years ago, I believed promotions would buy me freedom. Instead, they only bought me a better chair in the same office.
I started exactly where millions of people do. Excited, motivated, and convinced that success was just a few years away. But months became years, and one day I realized something terrifying. My salary had grown, but my freedom hadn't. Then I discovered one word that changed everything: leverage.
The wealthy don't earn more because they work longer. They earn more because their skills keep working even when they don't. And that's exactly where our journey begins.
The first high-leverage skill is sales. If you can convince someone to trust an idea, a product, or a service, you'll never depend on a paycheck alone. Sales isn't about manipulation, it's about solving problems. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or employee, the person who communicates value always earns more.
But selling once isn't enough. Real leverage comes when your work keeps producing results long after you've finished it.
That's why the second skill is content creation. One piece of content can educate thousands, inspire millions, and keep working while you sleep. The internet doesn't reward the hardest worker. It rewards the person who creates value that can reach people without being physically present.
Master sales, master content, and you've already stepped outside the limits of a traditional job. But the next 3 skills are where true freedom begins.
The third door isn't about working faster. It's about making technology work for you.
Activate systems. Skill number 3 is AI and automation. Every task you automate gives you something money can never buy back: time.
Successful people don't fill every hour with work. They build systems that keep moving even when they're focused somewhere else.
That's the fourth high-leverage skill: building systems. A system doesn't ask if you're awake. It keeps creating value every single day.
This is the difference between trading hours for money and building something that can grow without your constant attention.
4 skills have changed the way you earn, but the 5th skill changes the way you think, and that's the skill that separates wealthy people from everyone else.
The 5th skill isn't something you sell. It isn't software, whether every other skill succeeds or fails. The 5th high-leverage skill is decision-making. Your future isn't built by one perfect opportunity. It's built by the choices you repeat every single day. Sales gives you income, content gives you reach, AI gives you time, systems give you scale, but your decisions determine whether you'll ever use those skills consistently.
Freedom doesn't arrive in a single paycheck. It grows one skill, one habit, and one decision at a time. Most people spend years waiting for the perfect moment. The people who change their lives simply start before they're ready.
Welcome to The Future Won't Belong to the People Who Work for You. Our strategy makes that a reality. Join us and achieve infinite wealth.